fix disk write error on Steam. In order to fix a disk write error on Steam, you could try restarting Steam on your computer. Now I'm going to list out the steps what you could do in order to fix. First of all, sometimes a restart or a simple restart can often resolve temporary glitch. That should be able to help. If not in the Steam, what you could also do is you could also verify Cream integrity. So here what you have to do is come to the Steam and log in. Go to Library tab, locate the particular game and right click on the mouse, go to Properties. As you go to Properties, then what next you want to do is you simply want to go ahead and look for updates. If there seems to be any sort of update, then it should be able to fix. Likewise, you could also update Steam. Come to the top left hand side and click on Steam. Check for Steam updates. That should be able to help. If the issue still persists on, what next you want to do is you could clear your download cache. For that, click on Steam from the top right. Go to Settings. As you go to Settings, then you come to the download section. You want to make sure to click on Clear Cache and make sure to confirm. This is going to log you out of the Steam. And once again, you have to log in and see that will be able to solve. Despite doing all this procedure, if nothing works out, then you want to completely close this Steam application. Right click, go to Open File Location. Then once again, when you locate Steam, right click, go to Properties. As you go to Properties, come to Compatibility. Make sure that Compatibility mode is selected, as well as Run this program as an administrator selected. Click on Apply, click the OK. Now then restart your PC and then re-log in and see that will be able to fix it. So despite doing all this, if nothing works out, then you also want to make sure to temporarily disable any sort of antivirus or VPN if you're using, or else you could just reinstall Steam and that should be able to fix. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.